Welcome to 15 minutes of guided meditation. Today we're going to take time out of our busy schedules to synchronize our mind with our body. Shall we begin? Breathe in and breathe out. Breathe in and out. Breathe in and breathe out. Continue at your own pace. Now the goal of the breathing is to not overexert yourself by trying to take in deep, forceful breaths, but to slowly work your way there with every single inhale and every single exhale. You stretch your capacity just ever so slightly. Slow it all down. Notice how you're starting to feel slower, calmer, and more relaxed through this process. If you feel the need, make your breath audible or keep it silent. The choice is always yours. More forceful breaths allow you to push yourself into a zone where you feel more in tune with your body when you've had a long or strenuous week. And lighter breaths, which make no audible noises, also get you there, but from a different perspective. There are several ways to get to where we're going, and the path is yours to take. Keep the breathing going. You're slowly descending into your Zen state of mind. Every single breath is every single step towards your Zen state. Become aware now of your body and its place in space. Wherever you are, take note, whether through visual cues if you have your eyes open, or audible cues, or any other cues you find relevant to note your position, your place in space. Feel now how your body is working without you having any control over what it's doing. Peer inside the mechanisms that are happening all around you and inside you. The blood pulsing through your veins from your heart, through your arms, down your fingers, into the capillaries that flush every part of your hands with fresh, rich, oxygenated blood that brings life and vitality to your body. Feel how this blood travels through each and every single cell in your wrists, in your hands, in your fingers, from your arms, from your shoulders, from your chest, and feel that flow coming back down from your chest, from your shoulders, from your arms, down your forearms, into your wrists, into your hands, and your fingers, bringing that rich, red, fresh blood and energy through your cells, up your fingers, up your hands, up your wrists, up your arms, into your chest, where your breath, do it with me now, in, bringing fresh, pure oxygen into the blood, and exhaling the used energy. Feel this process up your neck, through your shoulder blades, into your head, through your cheeks, into your eyes, to your nose, the roof of your mouth, your chin, through your ears, and through your head, the top of your head, and your forehead. Do you feel the tingling sensations that occur with the intent you bring to these areas? Do you feel the swirling energy spinning gently through your mind? Feeling that fresh, rejuvenating energy coming down from your head into your neck and down your back, releasing any and all tension locked in your shoulders, in your shoulder blades, and in your back. Now allow no distraction to penetrate this process. You are here. You are present in this moment, right here, right now. Feel this same process flow down from your back into your chest, into your lower back, into your abdomen, into your tummy. Feel this energy flowing. It may feel like a swirling energy, a small but gentle current, unexplainable but sensational, spinning through your torso, down into your back, through your pelvic regions, into your buttocks, bringing all your organs and all your body parts, rejuvenating fresh energy. Feel this same flow work its way down your legs, from your quadriceps, your thighs, down through your kneecaps into every single capillary nook and cranny. No space is not felt by this warm and cool healing energy. Let it melt through any tension and any resistance. Surrender yourself to your body's natural healing process. Allow your breath to be your contributing factor. You beat the drum of this process through your breath in and out. Feel that melting energy pour down from your knees into your calves and your shins. Feel the tension, the tight tendons just ease up like fingers, letting go of tightly held reins and letting the water and energy flow through, flushing out any and all tension, toxins, and energy that is built up through the day. And feel this energy sink and flow through your ankles, your Achilles tendon, down to the bottom of your feet and forward through the top. Feel the pressure points on the bottom of your feet. Just release this energy. Allow this whole process from the top of your head all the way down through your body, one more time here, to flow like a waterfall that hits you through your body, the top of your head, down your neck, shoulders, arms, hands, torso, back, buttocks, pelvic area, thighs, quads, knees, calves and shins, and finally through your feet. Let it flow through and out of you. Well done. Come back now. Breathe one last time in and out. Slowly open your eyes and come back.